about how to use UIKit component in SwiftUI. So how to use UIKit component in SwiftUI. So in this situation, solve in SwiftUI protocol. SwiftUI provide a protocol UI view representable. What is UI view representable? A wrapper for UIKit views that you use to integrate that view into your SwiftUI view hierarchy. An example, let's to create on the SwiftUI view and wrapper for UI label as the UIKit component UI label using SwiftUI. Okay, and this first step create a structure that conform on the UI view representable and command, and this is the SwiftUI view, and in this UI view representable. Table example, which have UI view representable example. We're gonna get on the structure. The first step in this, we're gonna create on this structure, and this is the UIKit component use in SwiftUI, which we're gonna get on, which is confirm on this protocol UI view representable. UI view representable confirm on this protocol. Okay, and we're gonna create on this text per UI label in use of SwiftUI. UI label is component of a UIKit and used in SwiftUI. So at the rate binding var text, which is type of string, and the bind UI label requirement on this text, and this make UI view, and suppose we can not make UI view and return on this. Suppose this is the return on this UI view, return on this UI label, and in this, so in this function make UI view, and this is the update value. So in this method we can confirm on this one. So make UI view. So defining one property that is stored in the text string. We defining one property that is stored in the text string assigned on this class. So what is make UI view? Giving is make UI view method that will return our UI label. In this return on this method. In this situation, all in this use of UI return on this label. And update UI view. Adding a update view that will be called whenever the data for the UI label has changed. Which is type of UI label, and return on the, and this is the update. Suppose UI view, in this UI view type of label, and dot text in this property label property, and is equal to assign our text. Okay, our text in this our type binding create on the, we can use of our SwiftUI view in this our SwiftUI view, and we can create on this UI view representable structure. Struct UI view representable. Okay, and we're going to create on this our structure. So we're going to create on this text property state private var is text, which is type of string, and is equal to initial value is UIKit component used in SwiftUI. Okay, UIKit component using SwiftUI. We're going to create on this vstack, and we're going to create on this and calling on this UIKit component structure create UIKit component is using SwiftUI structure bind on this text or dollar our text bind on this text our text, and we're going to apply on this dot padding in this vstack. We're going to resume on this applications. So a wrapper for UIKit view that you use to integrate that view into your SwiftUI view hierarchy in this UI view representable definition. And in this solve in this problem how to use UIKit component in SwiftUI. So in this use on this UIKit component using SwiftUI in text bind on this our text property, and in this label suppose we're gonna apply on this color. So UI view dot text color in this UIKit property is equal to UI color dot, suppose we have a red color, and this apply on this red color UI color on this red color, and suppose we're gonna apply on this UI view dot, in this we're gonna apply on this font is equal to UI font dot bold system size. Suppose we're gonna apply on this 18.0 UI kit component using SwiftUI. We're gonna bind its properties. So make UI view in this, update UI view in this one, adding a update view that will be called whenever the data for the UI label has changed. The data UI label has changed, and make UI written on this label. So method that will be written our label, that will be written our label, and binding property use of SwiftUI. So thank you for watching this video. You can use of UI view representable in SwiftUI, and superb design in this UI view representable examples. And so thank you for watching the video. You can use of enjoy my channel and like my video.